5 foods that will give you a healthy glow. Genetics and lifestyle habits play a significant role in influencing your skin and its predisposition to skin conditions. However, your quest for glowing skin doesn't hopelessly end there. Sure, lots of skincare products claim to be skin food, but the healthiest glow comes from within and not a bottle. And with that, it all depends on whether you're eating the right foods that will give you a natural healthy glow. Researchers have found that including certain foods in your diet can help enhance your complexion by turning off inflammatory genes and supplying your body with the best tools to build healthy tissues. These healthy foods like tomatoes and carrots will nourish your skin from within. To know more about them, make sure to keep watching this video. Number 1. Avocado. Is your skin showing signs of premature aging? Are you tired and broke of having to spend so much on anti-aging products? The answer is simple: eat more avocados. Avocados are packed with antioxidants like beta-carotene and lutein that soften the skin. It also contains monounsaturated fatty acids that hydrate and protect the skin by lowering the risk of premature aging due to ultraviolet radiation. So, if your skin needs protection from sun damage, go grab avocados and stock on them. Number 2. Beetroot. Also known as red beets, beetroots are root veggies that pack a mean amount of vitamins and minerals, giving you that instant glow. Its anti-inflammatory properties also help prevent pimples and acne. You can add beetroot to your skincare routine and use it as a spot treatment on your blemishes. Or better yet, drink a glass of beetroot juice. This will cleanse your blood and flush out all toxins, leaving your skin looking healthy and glowing. Number 3. Turmeric. By now, turmeric is quite well known by many, especially skincare enthusiasts. This Indian spice is loaded with an active antioxidant called curcumin that's highly effective in relieving inflammation and fighting free radicals. It's even more effective than ibuprofen. Can you believe that? Turmeric can also lighten dark pigmentation or scars caused by aging, sun exposure, or hormonal imbalance. You can drink it, though it tastes really weird, or add it with honey to create a facial mask. Just be careful of staining your clothes or even your skin, if you leave it too long, that is. Number 4. Sweet potato. Struggling with going carb-free just because you want to achieve radiant skin? You don't have to. Sweet potatoes are amazing because of their high levels of vitamin A. Vitamin A derivatives have been found to help reduce oil production in the skin. In fact, it's used to treat acne. Moreover, vitamin A is an antioxidant that helps neutralize any free radical damage to collagen. Overall, sweet potatoes are excellent in making you glow. Number 5. Egg whites. Skipping breakfast? Please don't. If you need a strong reason not to, then you should know that egg whites can make your skin glow. How? It's high in lysine and proline as well as collagen itself. Thus, adding them to your daily diet will aid your body's natural production of collagen. In the end, you can combat fine lines and maintain a youthful look. Countless foods are packed with skin-nourishing properties and compounds. If you want to go all natural, then eating them is the best way. If you know other superfoods, write your answers below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.